Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa Merrick. I'm the president and CEO of Prevent Child Abuse America, which is the nation's oldest and largest national nonprofit that's really focused on stopping child abuse and neglect before it can even begin. We do this through a variety of work. We have state chapters around the country. We also have a home visiting program called Healthy Families America that helps new parents navigate new parenthood and all the stressors that come with that. We also do a lot of policy and advocacy and research, really a comprehensive approach to making sure families have what they need before they're in crisis. And we know that as the back to school season approaches, parents across the country face significant stress, right? From navigating new schedules and routines, also the added expenses of back to school supplies and backpacks and activities. All of these stressors can really contribute to an environment where children are at increased risk of experiencing child abuse or neglect, right? But we know through 50 years of messaging and of science in this area that the underlying causes of child abuse and neglect are not bad parents. In fact, we know overwhelmingly that parents want to be good parents and are trying the very hardest they can try. But things like a parent's own childhood trauma or extreme stressors in their environment can sometimes be stopping them from being the best parents they can be. So we really want to highlight that we all have a role to play in preventing child abuse and neglect and in supporting parents. Prevent Child Abuse America, we emphasize the importance of using a comprehensive public health approach to prevent child abuse and neglect because it lets us really focus on the true root causes, which often are economic and concrete support stressors. So key supports that we advocate for include things like high quality, affordable childcare, paid family leave, child tax credits that really, again, can reduce stress for parents, allowing them to provide a safer and more nurturing environment for their children. But the truth is that there is no such thing as a perfect parent, and it's a fallacy to think that anyone parents on their own. We all need help or support sometimes. So we need to hold grace for ourselves because parenting is stressful, but we also need to lend a hand when we can, right? Making a meal for a new mom or talking to a friend about the stress that we're experiencing so that we don't bring that stress home. Those are things that we can all do to help support each other and, importantly, to prevent child abuse and neglect from ever happening in the first place. So if you need help or you want to learn more about what this work is about, please visit our website at Prevent Child Abuse. There we've put together a list of tips and resources specific to back to school. So whether it's to help relieve some of your own stress or to help others in your community, you can go there and find a lot of good information. You can also click on the orange Find Help button to search for resources in your own community and link to your own local state chapter of Prevent Child Abuse America.